Good morning, students. Today I will teach you articles a and the. Here are few exercises. Today we will again try to do to understand it. Here are some multiple choice questions. Let us try it. I have dash umbrella. Here is these options, but we are writing here and because here is you and you is vowel. We live on dash earth. Earth. There is only one earth, so it is particular noun. So we will adding here the. Mansi gives dash rose to his mother. Dash rose is red. Mansi gives, here it is a noun. Rose is a noun and it is, here is a consonant. Or in this sentence rose is singular, so we will write here a. इस सेंटेंस में रोज आर जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट है और इस सेंटेंस में रोज केवल एक है, सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे ए का यूज किया है. एंड हिज मदर द रोज इज रेड. अगेन रोज इज रिपीटेड हियर, मीन्स एक बार जो रोज वर्ड दोबारा सेम वर्ड अगर आता है, सेम नाउन इज रिपीटेड इन द सेम सेंटेंस दो, सो इट्स बिकम अ पर्टिकुलर नाउन. सो वी विल राइट हियर द. Sun is a planet, all of you know there is only one sun, so we will write here the. The sun rise every morning. Lara has a little lamb. Lara has a little, L is consonant and there is only one lamb, so we will write here a. The lambs goes with her here everywhere. Same situation is here. I'll tell you then if the same noun is repeated, then here is become particular noun, so we will write here the. Cheetah is dash fastest animal in the world. Here is what superlative degree use, est. Where the superlative degrees are used, we will always add the, so we will write here the. Where is dash chocolate that I kept in fridge? What we will write here? We will write here the. Why? Because chocolate is noun, so we will write, and it is when there is noun in this sentence, chocolate is a noun and it is a particular noun because there is only one thing, so we will write here the. My granny tell me stories from the Ramayana. The Ramayana is a holy book, so we will write here the. There was an oven in the hostel. Oven, O is a vowel, so we will write here and hostel is a place. In this sentence it is a particular noun because this sentence related to hostel, so we will write here the. I found a delicious dish in the menu of restaurant. Delicious, here is D, it is consonant, so we will write here a. And menu of the restaurant, so menu is the main thing in the restaurant, we will talking about menu, so it is a particular thing, so we will write here the. Complete the verses and the a and or the. I looked at the sky, here is sky particular noun, so we will writing here the. And saw dash eagle flying high. There is what we saw a eagle, only one eagle, एक eagle को देखा, so we will writing here a. When the eagles began to dive, here is same noun is repeated and there is one noun also, but when it repeated again, so will it eagle is become particular noun, so we will write here the. All dash mice ran to save their lives. Mice, here are the mice, it is plural form and so and it is noun also, so we will write here the. There is not a singular noun. If there is singular noun, then we will write a, but there is no there is many mices, so we will write here the. This is your video. You will do this exercise in your book.